Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello student, here we go again. We are going to study English again with me, Mr. Wapper. And for now, we are going to talk about explanation tags. Okay, before we talk about explanation tags further, we are going to discuss about the core competency and basic competency of this material. To make it clearer, I'm going to talk in bahasa Indonesia. Saya akan jelaskan dalam bahasa Indonesia dulu ya, biar kalian lebih mengerti. Sebelum berbicara jauh mengenai explanation text, kita akan mencari tahu dulu kompetensi inti dan kompetensi dasar yang akan kita pelajari pada materi kali ini. Nah, untuk kompetensi inti pada materi ini adalah siswa diharapkan mampu memahami, menerapkan, menganalisis, dan mengevaluasi pengetahuan faktual, konseptual, prosedural, dan metakognitif berdasarkan rasa ingin tahunya tentang ilmu pengetahuan, teknologi, seni, budaya, dan humaniora dengan wawasan kemanusiaan, kebangsaan, kenegaraan, dan peradaban terkait penyebab fenomena dan kejadian, serta menerapkan pengetahuan prosedural pada bidang kajian yang spesifik sesuai dengan bakat dan minatnya untuk memecahkan masalah. Lalu untuk kompetensi dasarnya itu adalah membedakan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan beberapa teks explanation, lisan dan tulis dengan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait gejala alam atau sosial yang tercakup dalam mata pelajaran lain di kelas 12 sesuai dengan konteks dan penggunaannya. Itulah kompetensi inti dan kompetensi dasar yang diharapkan bisa kalian kuasai setelah mempelajari materi ini. Okay, we are going to continue to next slide. Okay guys, now indicators. Untuk indikator pencapaian materi ini ada dua. Yang pertama, kalian diharapkan mampu membedakan fungsi sosial teks berbentuk explanation, lalu mendefinisikan struktur teks explanation. Itulah indikator pencapaian yang diharapkan bisa kalian kuasai pada materi kali ini. Okay, before we talk about explanation text further, I want you to look at the following picture and answer the question. Look at the picture. My question is, what are the people doing? Yaps, they are bringing water from a water source to their home probably. And look at the ground is very dry, right? The ground is very dry. Next, look at the following picture again and answer the question. Now, what is happening, do you think? Yes, the farmer is very sad because the ground is very dry and maybe the rice that he planted will be died as well because it is very dry, right? Next, look at the following picture again and answer the question. What is happening in the picture? Alright, it is raining, right? It is raining. Now, answer next question. What makes drought? How can water drop from the sky? And why can water goes up to the sky? All of the questions above need explanation, right? And that's what we are going to talk about, explanation text. Okay, let's talk about explanation text. The purpose of explanation text is to explain the process involved in the information of or workings of natural or socio-cultural phenomena. So, explanation text explain the phenomena, either it is natural or socio-cultural. The keyword is to explain. And let's talk about the structure. There are two structures of explanation text. The first is general statement. In general statement, we can read the writer's position. And then next is the explanation itself. In explanation, it is going to describe, it is going to explain why or how the phenomena happen. Now, I want you to read the text aloud, okay? I will show you several paragraphs and I want you to read. Are you ready? Okay, let's read it. Rain always comes from clouds. But where do clouds come from? How does all that water get into the sky? Think about your bathroom. There is hot water in your bath. Steam goes up from the hot water. The steam makes small clouds in the bathroom. These warm clouds meet the cold walls and windows, and then we see small drops of water on the wall and windows. The world is like your bathroom. The water in the ocean is warm when the sun shines on it. Some of this water goes up into the sky and makes clouds. The wind carries the clouds from hundreds of kilometers. The cloud meet cold air in the sky, and we see drops of water. The drops of water are rain. The rain falls and runs into rivers. Rivers run into oceans, and the water from ocean makes clouds and more rain. So, water is always moving from ocean to clouds, to rain, to rivers, and to oceans. So, the rain on your head was on other head before. The water in your garden was in other garden in other countries. Okay, those are several paragraphs from the text, and we are going to discuss the text describe about this. What is it? Yes, water cycle. And we can find out from the text that water is always moving from ocean. When ocean get warm because of the sun shines on it, it becomes cloud, and the cloud then drop into the ground. We call it rain, and rain flows to the river, and river flows to the ocean. So it will be recycled from ocean, cloud, rain, and river. Okay, let's talk about the structure of explanation text. Do you still remember the structure? The first structure is general statement, right? The first paragraph is general statement. In the general statement, we can read the writer's position, and the writer here comes up with the question: where do clouds come from? How does all that water get into the sky? That's general statement. And next structure is explanation. In explanation, we can find out about why and how a phenomenon happens, right? Paragraph 2, 3, and 4 are the explanation. We can find out how the water goes up to the sky, how the water drops into the ground and makes some more rain. Okay, let's sum up again. Explanation text. The purpose of explanation text is to explain the process of phenomenon. The phenomenon can be natural or sociocultural. And the structure are general statement and explanation. Okay guys, this is the end of our session. Thank you very much for listening and watching. See you again in the next material with me, Mr. Wapper. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.